We know that the success of any construction project relies on more than just the products that are used. It takes a lot of skill, knowledge, understanding, and expertise to ensure these products are applied in the best possible ways. This commitment is backed up by the fact that Tremco Construction Products Group companies are committed to shaping the future of the construction industry. For new construction, restoration, and renovation products alike, we have you covered from basement to roof with one point of contact for your entire building envelope. Let me show you how these top brands work together. Meet Dave. Dave works at a large architectural firm and has landed a complex job. Dave has spent the last 3 weeks calling different companies, making sure each of their systems are compatible with each other, but has been given the runaround. He just wants a straight answer. His problem is, some systems give him the performance he requires by themselves, but when combined with another system, creates weak points in the building. Plus, when combined, they will not deliver the warranty the developer demands. With separate warranties for each product, who's responsible for the connection points? And how will the owner know which manufacturer to call if there's a problem? Dave just wants it all to work, and seamlessly. In walks Pete. Pete is the technical manager from Tremco, here to do a presentation. Pete describes how Tremco Construction Products Group have a great variety of solutions to use, from the roof to the basement. Pete also explains how these technologies are compatible and work seamlessly together. The biggest advantage of all this is that there is one point of contact on the job, but endless support from so many other areas of the business, including on-site testing, eliminating the need for multiple phone calls and negotiating what system works with what, giving the customer peace of mind. After speaking with Pete, Dave has specified the job with a full Tremco Construction Products Group solution, including below-grade waterproofing, ICF products and accessories, expansion joints, traffic coatings, glazing systems, air barrier systems, an outsulation facade, and roofing products, all supported by a building envelope maintenance package. Dave can rest assured that all of these systems will provide the desired performance required and warranties expected. One touch point from Tremco Construction Products Group allows Dave the time to do other things. Speak to our expert team to find the right solution for your next project, or visit our website at tremcocpg.com.